Okay, they usually take the classes, substitutes also, faculty.
No, they don't. They do whatever the teacher has written in the paper.
Oh, okay. Okay then. But for you, they didn't start it, right? Till
Like the substitute doesn't know mathematics that much. She knows the basics, but she doesn't know like mathematics like, fully.
uh-huh. Yeah. And then let me start the class. Like, do you have any queries as of now? Like what we did,
On what unit?
like radians, degrees.
Yeah, that's what we did in school.
Okay. So have you come up with any queries? Otherwise, any worksheets like that?
For now, no, sir. Like if there is any queries, then I will ask. I will ask you in any time.
Yeah. Fine. Then let me. They are following the same textbook, right? Pre-calculus, same textbook.
Like we didn't even get our textbooks.
Oh. They didn't share with you, like in PDF format at least.
I don't know. Like I think we are going to use the same textbook. Still, we didn't get any notifications from the teacher because his third child was born like 3 days ago.
Yeah. Yes. Okay, fine then. So let me start our topic. Give the degrees measurement as shown in the circle.
கையும் கண்ணும் அங்க இருக்கு. அத பெயிண்ட் அடிக்கிறதுக்கு இப்ப இப்படி திரும்பி இருக்கு. பிபிஎம்
நான் லேப்டாப்ல பண்ணிட்டேன். டேய் பீபா ஒழுங்கா நூல் எடுத்து செய்யு.
நீ போய் 1 லிட்டர் பால் வாங்கிட்டு ஐடி பாஸ் வாங்கிட்டு வான்னு 4 தடவை சொல்லியிருக்கேன்.
எதிரி
Yeah, here is our question.
அதே அப்ப உனக்கு கேட்கல.
Degree measurement of the angle shown in the circle. So actually solution.
What's up?
மேக்ஸ் ஸ்கெட்ச் செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தான்ல, நீ என்ன சும்மா தெருவுல திரியிற?
What's up?
Yeah, you can see the question. Give the degree measure of the angle shown in the circle. So here you can observe the angle. So the arrow mark representation of the angle here. So you can take it as a theta. Now we need to represent angle as in the degrees. How we are going to represent?
Okay, since one full circle is equal to 360 degrees,
Yes.
and this is only one quadrant. So 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90 degrees.
Yes. So that's what they done in the textbook also. So even that will be the answer for that. Like that is the example 1 which we are having, and
Let me go to the book.
yeah, you can.
Like
Yeah, you can open, no issue.
வாங்க போலாம்.
okay.
அப்ப என்ன கழுதி கேட்கும்?
பாப்பா
அந்த இதுல 5 ரியால் இருக்கும். 1 லிட்டரா 2 லிட்டரா? 1 லிட்டரா? அந்த தனியா ஒரு ஸ்டாண்ட் இருக்கும்ல, அதுல இருக்கும் பாரு, இருக்கா? எடுத்துக்கோ.
What page number?
It's 308. 308.
Okay.
கண்டிப்பா இது வாங்கிட்டு வா. விசிட்டர் பாஸ் ஃபார்ம். கொண்டே உள்ள விட மாட்டேன்ட்டாங்க. இங்க இருந்து நான் விக்கு போக முடியல.
அவனை பாஸ் வாங்க சொன்னாலும் என்ன?
யாரு?
Okay. Got it. 300. I mean 308.
Yes.
வாங்க மாட்டானா? படிக்கிறேன் போய் வாங்கணும்.
அவன் இங்க படிக்கிறான்.
என்ன பண்றேன்?
இப்ப படிக்கிறான். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன செஞ்சா?
கெமிஸ்ட்ரி.
So this is our next question. You can see it on the board. So find the alpha, an angle alpha, that co-terminal angle will be with 870. So what is the co-terminal angle?
Co-terminal angle is where like that angle coincides after like some rotations.
Yes. So now tell me, what is the co-terminal angle for 870?
870. Okay, since it is more than 2 rotations, so 870 minus, so it is 150. So somewhere in the second quadrant.
Yes. So if you want, let me upload this thing, like definition for the co-terminal angle. Exactly, Google only. Yeah. So co-terminal angle are angles who share same initial side as the terminal side. Finding the co-terminal angle is as simple as adding with the 360 or 2 pi radians. Nothing but
Okay.
so after rotations, like 2 or 3 rotations, how much you need to add to get 90 or 180 or 360 degrees? Okay.
Yeah.
If you want exactly with the help of diagrams in the sense, 1 minute. Math. So before that one, let me show you how it will work out actually. Actually, you know, but anyways, let me tell you. If you are observing a co-terminal angle, nothing but, for example, in any angle, so in any case, if they are giving one angle as 30 or 330, co-terminal angle nothing but completion of one complete revolution.
Yes.
So here 330 in the sense anti-clockwise direction, we need to start from 0. So 0 is the x-axis, like 0 x-axis. From the x-axis we need to start towards negative anti-clockwise direction.
Yes.
So 330, which will be till this line. To complete one revolution, remaining angle will be 30 degrees. So 30 degrees will be the co-terminal angle. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing but, for example, if you are taking any angle A to find the co-terminal angle for this, we need to add or subtract something. You can observe in this formula actually. We need to add or subtract something to get exactly 360 degrees. That's what we need to do.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes.
Now tell me, what is the co-terminal angle for the 870 degrees?
870 degrees. Quarter.
Yes.
We need to subtract 360 twice.
Yes. Which will be 720, right?
Two rotations,
Yes. Two rotations like this. This is
which
1
is 150.
and this is 2. And 150, right?
Yes, it ends on 150.
150 in the sense you get somewhere here in the second quadrant. Correct? This is the 870.
Yes.
Now how much we need to add or subtract to get exactly to end on x-axis? How much we need to add or subtract?
How much do I need to add or subtract what?
Like to get the, what is the co-terminal angle? How much you will get here?
150.
Angle for, yeah, correct, 150. Let me check the answer. 150 is the correct one, but let me check it. 870, right? Perfect. So if you want negative co-terminal angle, in the sense you need to subtract the value, which means 150 is the positive co-terminal angle. If they are asking by any chance what is the negative co-terminal angle for the 870, in the sense you need to calculate in the anti-clockwise direction.
Yeah.
This one. So you will get 210 negative co-terminal angle. Hope so you are clear right now.
Yes.
So the next question is 45 degrees. Okay. So for the negative 45 degrees, what's the co-terminal angle for negative 45 degrees? How much will get?
Negative 45 degrees.
Yes.
Since you are going counterclockwise, then I think you need to subtract with 360.
Yes, correct.
So 360 minus 45 would be 315 degrees.
Done. Okay, next we are having like beta co-terminal angle for 300. So co-terminal angle, anyways, it's easy concept only. Next we are going to learn about the arc length. So already we done, but what is the arc length? Can you tell me now?
What's that?
Arc length. What's the arc length?
Arc length is the length of a sector of a triangle.
Yeah.
No, of a circle.
Yes, half a circle. Yeah, here you can see here. So here you can observe actually. So S is the arc length here, and R is the radius. Theta will be the angle.
Yes.
So the part which is rotating, this angle closed part, is called as a sector of
Okay.
circle. So infinite number of sectors are possible in a single circle actually.
Yeah.
So that will be the next concept for us. Like that is also easy only. Anyways, radians and degrees conversion. Let me tell you that. So you are having quiz on only degrees and radians, right?
What's up?
You are having a quiz on degrees and radians.
Like he did not even tell on what we are having quiz on unit circle. He did not notify us yet.
Okay. Then when
If
Sunday?
it can be on Sunday, or it can be on Sunday or Tuesday or Thursday.
what you are going to expect, like which you are expecting topic.
So, I don't know, like, because since the teacher is not here and the substitute doesn't know like these things.
Okay, then how they are going to conduct?
Yeah, that's what it doesn't make sense.
Mhm.
Because like the teacher needs to put in some grades.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, that's okay, no issues. Whatever they are asking previous day, you can tell me so that we can have the class on the same topic. Any topic,
Yeah,
Trigo,
yeah,
hardly,
that can be a good idea.
any topic, hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes to explain to you. Why? Because we done already several times we done, so no need to worry about it.
Yeah,
So 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians, so which can be represented as the pi radians to the 180, or you can follow only single formula 1 radian equal to 180 by pi degrees. Already you know this formula, so this is just a revision for you.
yeah.
Okay, 1 radian is
Like
equal,
what is the formula again? Like
you can see it on the board
what is
edge.
the formula?
1 radian is equal
Okay,
to,
one.
you can note it down if you want. You can note only this point. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees.
Okay.
So next we are going to solve the problems on this concept.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me note it down, sir. Wait a minute, sir.
sure.
Noted.
Yeah. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. So here you need to remember radian in the sense the pi value we need to get, right? So denominator will be pi.
Yes. Yes.
You can remember in your own way. Only remember, only this formula is enough to convert. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. So let me solve one question on the same formula. We need to convert pi by 6 radians to degrees. How we are going to do this?
What's that?
This is the question. So how we will solve this question? Convert pi by 6 radians to degrees. Are you able to see it on the board?
Convert.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how you are going to apply the formula for this question?
Okay, so you need to like pi by 6 times 180 degrees by pi, and you cancel the pi's out, and then you divide 180 by 6.
Yeah, perfect. So 180 by 6, how much will get? 30, right?
180 by 6, 30.
Yeah, so 30 degrees. Otherwise, like this is the conversion procedure actually. Otherwise, pi is always 180. You can remember easily. Pi is always 180, 180 by 6. Directly also you can do. You know, right? Always
Yeah.
like 2 pi is 360. Already we know this concept. But
Yes.
to get the marks, we need to follow the procedure. For the procedure in the sense, you need to use the formula. Okay.
Okay.
So convert 15 degrees to radians. 15 degrees is equal to how many radians?
Okay.
How we will do this?
15 degrees. It's pi by 12.
Pi by 12.
Because you multiply 15 with pi by 180, where you divide all the numbers with 15.
Yeah, correct. So pi by 12, right?
No, pi by yeah, pi by 12.
360 by 12 is 15. Oh, 15, 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 ones are. Yeah, correct. So pi by 12. 3 pi by 10 radians to degrees. 3 pi by 10. Sorry, 7 pi by 10. 7 pi by 10. This is in radians. So how many degrees you will get?
Okay.
How much will get? Yeah, how much will get there? 7 pi by 10.
Okay, 7 pi by 10. I'm like trying like the second way right now.
Which way? Tell me.
First one is that you cancel the pi's out and then 7 by 10 times 180 by 1. Then another way is that 6 pi by 10 times 180.
Do it in a easy way. See, first method is easy actually. So 7 pi by 10, write it as usual. 7 pi by 10 as usual, and write like 180 by pi. So pi will get cancelled. 0 will get cancelled. 18 sevens are how much? That will be the answer. How much will get? 18 sevens are? So 70 plus 56, 126.
Okay, 18 times 7. Yeah, 126.
That's it. It's easy only, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
19 pi by 4. Next one. 19 pi by 4.
Okay.
So try to cancel and then multiply so that it will be easy.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing it.
சரி நூல் வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணியா
855 degrees.
855. 19 into
Yes.
180. 1 minute. Divided by 4. 855. Yeah, correct. So our next question will be, find the co-terminal angle for minus 117 pi by 6. Minus 17 pi by 6. We need to find for this co-terminal angle actually.
Okay.
So to find the co-terminal angle, actually we need to convert first of all degrees. Then it is easy for us. Correct?
Okay.
So first try to convert and then you can add or subtract something so that you will get 360 related value.
Okay, you need to convert this into degrees. Okay.
Yes.
Negative 70 by 6. Negative 510 degrees.
510. Yeah. Now you can easily find the co-terminal angle actually. So negative 510, which will be in which quadrant you will get?
Huh?
Which quadrant you will get?
Co-terminal angle. Okay.
Hmm.
I think since this is goes counterclockwise, and you need to subtract 360.
Yes.
அம்மா வீட்ல தான் பெரியம்மா.
So
So
it might be 150.
yeah. 150. So which will be in second quadrant actually. So if you're writing 510, so this is in anti-clockwise direction, one complete revolution, as well as you'll get around here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 360 plus 150. We'll get third quadrant actually. Yeah. So this is the angle. This is negative 510 degrees. Now, if you want positive coterminal angle, which will be 150, negative coterminal angle, which will be 150 degrees, or if you want positive coterminal angle, you need to find this one, which will be 360 minus 150.
Yes.
So how much will you get? 360 minus 150. Yeah, 360 minus 150.
Yeah, 360 minus 150. I think it would be 210.
Yeah. So 210 degrees will be the positive coterminal angle. So you understood, right? Actually, what is a positive coterminal angle and negative coterminal angle? Like if we are
Yes.
if we are giving revolution towards an anti-clockwise direction, then which will be negative coterminal angle. So nothing but from here to here. So from here to here, which will be negative direction we are revolving. So which will be negative 150 degrees. If you want to find positive, in the sense you need to go in the clockwise direction, which will be 210 degrees. Next topic is arc length as well as area of sector. Have you remembered what is the arc length?
Yeah, it's like a sector of a circle.
Yes. So arc length and the area of the sector, in the sense, already we know that will be in the previous slide only I have shared with you. Anyways, let me tell you. So for example, if this is a arc in a circle, this will be the S and R, and this will be the theta. So the relation between this total thing is theta is equal to S by R. So if you want to find anything in these three quantities related to two quantities, then you can use this formula. S is equal to
Okay.
S equal to R theta actually.
Is equal to r theta. Like theta times r.
Yes. Theta times R.
Okay. And then r equals s by theta.
Yes.
And theta equals s by r.
Yes. Got it? So depends upon the
Okay.
question. Like if you want to find the arc length, then you need to use this formula. Arc length is equal to radius times theta, and theta is equal to arc length divided by r. Like that you need to use. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So next we are going to do few problems on this. Find the arc length of along the circle. Okay, let me upload it. So in tomorrow's class, I'm going to give you like worksheet. We are going to solve the worksheet related to quiz type only. We have few websites actually for the American curriculum. So once the concept is done by today, so tomorrow I'm going to solve. We are going to solve this question.
Okay.
So here is our question. We need to use s equal to r theta or r equal to s by theta, depends upon the thing. So here we need to find the arc length. So what is the arc length? Number notation. What we need to find here?
Okay. Find the arc length of a circle of radius 10 subtended by an angle of 215 degrees. So it's S.
Yes,
Arc length is S. So S equal to r theta.
perfect.
So S is going to be 2150.
Okay. Fine. So always you need to convert again this value into, this is in degrees or radians anyways.
It's in degrees.
Yes, you need to convert into radians actually. 2150. Now how you will convert this arc length into radians? Why? Because we are always comparing the quantities with the radius of the circle, which means radians. We need to find the values in the format of radians only. Degrees won't work out here. Okay.
Okay.
So just multiply with 180 by 5. No,
Yeah.
5 by 180, sorry. 5 by 180.
இல்ல அப்படி இந்த புளியும் குடிக்குமான்னு இது வாழை வந்து வீட்டுல வந்து மீட்ரு ஐயா ஏங்க
Okay. What are we going to do?
Like convert this is the degrees, right? Convert this degrees into radians. So tell me the answer in radians.
Oh, okay. Okay.
அப்படி என்னப்பா பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கீங்க
நான் வரும்போதே பின்ன அந்த அம்மாவோட வளர்ச்சி ஊருக்கு
It's 12 pi.
Sorry,
12 pi.
12 pi. 18 12 you will get. 18 times 12. 216. Perfect. Yes, this will be the answer for this. So the next question is, yeah, area of the sector actually. So next formula only. So already we know the sector. Now how we are going to find the area of the particular sector. So for that also we are having the formula actually. So here is our formula.
Yeah, like half sine theta, something like that.
Yes, yes.
Like half AB sine theta.
You can
No, oh yeah, half theta
r
squared.
square. Yes. Half time theta r square. Even you can note down this formula also.
I noted it.
Yes. Whichever, like if they are giving a sector, first you need to find radius. Depends upon the things you need to convert these three formulas. Actually, we done with s equal to r theta now, and this is one more formula. And I think one more formula we done, right? What is that formula? S equal to r theta. We done, I think so, three formulas, right?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
what are the yeah. So 1 radian is equal to 180 by 5 degrees. So these three formulas only we have done till now. Like for this total exercise, complete exercise, we need to use only these three formulas. Okay.
Okay.
So here, so area of the sector, this is the third one, of theta r square, of times theta r square. Theta is the angle, r is the radius of the circle. So the
Yes.
question is here, example 10th one from your textbook. Let me upload it. Tomorrow at what time you want the class?
Tomorrow, let's do it as usual, like we did in India, like 2 to 3.
2 to 3. Okay, fine. Even I'm free before also, if you want. If you want some morning time, otherwise I'm okay with that also. If you want, in case.
Let's do it 2 to 3.
2 to 3. Yeah, fine then.
Because in Saudi that's like
11:30 you said.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, then no issue. 2 to 3 we can have the class. So here is our next question. Yes. How will we find the area of the sector again?
Half theta squared. So radius is 20 feet and theta is 30 degrees. So theta squared is 900. 900 times 20 is 20 is 18,000, and 18,000 divided by 2 is 9,000. 9,000 square feet.
Wait. You are doing square for 20 or 30?
For 30.
Why?
Oh, okay.
We need to do for
It's
20 actually.
it's 400.
Yeah.
20 squared is 400. Then 400 times 30 is 12,000. And 12,000 divided by 2 is 600.
100? 1000,
Yeah,
right?
600 square. 600 square feet.
100 or 1000? See, one more time.
Final answer.
It's 400. So 200s are 400. So 200 times 30, which will be 6,000. 3 zeros.
Oh,
Got it?
yes, got it, got it.
Fine then. So, okay, now try to convert this thing in the radians. Yeah, tell me the value in the radians actually.
Okay, 6,000.
Yeah, how much you got?
33 pi.
Perfect. So 33.33 pi actually. Otherwise, you can write it as 100 by 100 pi by 3 also. Even both are correct.
Okay,
Fine.
okay.
So the next question is, here is our next question.
Central pivot irrigation, a large irrigation pipe on wheels rotates around a central point, as pictured here. A farmer has a central pivot system with a radius of 400 meters. If water restrictions only allow her to water 150,000 square meters a day, what angle should she set the system to cover? I think it's
Yes.
the half theta r squared formula, where radius is 400.
So radius is 400, correct?
And theta is the unknown, and final answer is 150,000 square meters.
Yes. Which will be an area, right?
Yeah,
150 again 1000 square feet. So it's a unit actually.
yeah,
Square feet, square meters is a unit actually.
yeah. You first multiply by 2, 150,000.
Yes, which will be 30, right?
300,000.
Yes. Is equal to theta times
300,000.
4 fours are 16 and double zero double zero you will get.
And 400 square. Yeah, this is 400 squared is 160.
Yes.
160,000 squared.
Yes. 4 zeros will get cancelled. So
So,
theta will be 30 by 16, right?
yeah, 30 by 16. 1.875
875
degrees.
So this is the perfect answer. So if you want to, you can convert into radians also. As of now, this is done actually. Okay, if you want to convert radians, how
Okay.
you will convert the radians? How much you will get? 5 into
Huh.
5 by 180.
Yeah.
So you can divide this one 1.875 divided by 180.
1.875
Into 180.
times pi by 180.
You can calculate easily. See, pi is constant, like keep it as it is. So you can divide
Okay.
1.875 by 180.
So it's 0.01 by pi.
0.01 into pi.
0.01 pi.
Yes, perfect. So this is the answer. Otherwise, you can write pi by 100 also.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay, Darun, then let me have class on tomorrow. Tomorrow, 2 to 3 as usual, IST. And are
Yeah.
you able to do the problems if I'm sharing some worksheet now?
Yeah, I will see whether there's time tomorrow.
Okay. Otherwise, you want me to share tomorrow's class. Like whichever the way you want, I can share with you.
Okay.
Uh, Degrees and radians. Okay. I'll share with you by WhatsApp. You do one thing. WhatsApp is okay.
Yeah, I have WhatsApp.
No. By which way you want? Like through the WhatsApp, it is okay. Otherwise, I can send a mail also.
You can send in the mail because if there's a PDF, I always check in the mail.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me do now only. What's your email ID? Can you repeat one more time? Already I'm having anyways. Tell me once.
SENTH.
Yes, ENTH. Yeah, I got it. Darun Shankar, pre-calculus.
No, Davin Senthil Kumar.
Yes, I got it. Yeah, check it now.
Okay, let me see. I got it.
Yeah. So if you open that worksheet, you will get plenty of questions like from the degrees and radians.
Okay.
So you can solve, and anyways, tomorrow's class is there. If you are not getting any question, we'll solve in the tomorrow's class.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to end this class. Bye. Take care. Have a great day. Good night.
Vepu Kaludam.
Sure.